Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection small wooden crafts project ideas for every time high selling rate and also to decorate your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the ever-evolving landscape of handmade crafts, small wooden projects have emerged as a popular choice for crafters and entrepreneurs alike, particularly for those looking to engage in year-round selling opportunities. The beauty of small wooden crafts lies not only in their aesthetic appeal, but also in their versatility and practicality, making them highly desirable to a wide range of consumers. From decorative items to functional household goods, the potential for creating sellable wooden crafts is vast, allowing artisans to tap into various markets and customer preferences. One of the key advantages of small wooden crafts is their ability to be produced in manageable quantities, making them ideal for crafters who may not have the capacity to undertake larger projects. This scalability allows artisans to experiment with different designs and finishes, providing them with opportunities to refine their skills and discover what resonates with their audience. A small wooden item, such as a handcrafted key holder or a decorative wall plaque, can be made quickly and sold at a price point that is accessible to most consumers. This affordability factor is crucial, as it often leads to impulsive purchases, especially when shoppers are drawn in by unique designs and the charm of handmade goods. The seasonal aspect of selling small wooden crafts also plays a significant role in maximizing sales potential. Artisans can create specific items tailored to various holidays and events throughout the year, ensuring that their offerings remain relevant and appealing to customers. For instance, around the winter holidays, crafters can produce wooden ornaments, nativity scenes, or festive decorations that capture the spirit of the season. Similarly, during the spring, there is a market for wooden planters or garden markers that cater to those looking to beautify their outdoor spaces. By aligning their craft projects with seasonal trends, artisans can capitalize on consumer interest and drive sales. Additionally, the versatility of wooden crafts means that items can be adapted for different occasions, allowing artisans to create variations of their designs to appeal to different demographics. A simple wooden sign, for example, can be customized to celebrate weddings, birthdays, or anniversaries, providing a personal touch that resonates with buyers looking for meaningful gifts. Marketing plays a pivotal role in the success of selling small wooden crafts, and the storytelling aspect of handmade items can significantly enhance their appeal. Consumers today are increasingly interested in the narratives behind the products they purchase, seeking connections with the artisans who create them. By sharing the story of their craft, how they began, the materials they use, and the inspiration behind their designs, artisans can forge a deeper connection with potential buyers. This personal touch often translates into a willingness to pay a premium for items that resonate on an emotional level. Social media platforms, such as Instagram and Pinterest, provide ideal venues for artisans to showcase their work, share their journey, and build a community around their craft. By posting high-quality images of their small wooden projects and engaging with followers, artisans can create a loyal customer base that is eager to support their endeavors. Moreover, the trend towards sustainability and eco-friendliness has created a burgeoning market for wooden crafts made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials. Artisans who prioritize eco-conscious practices in their crafting process can attract environmentally aware consumers who are willing to invest in products that align with their values. For instance, small wooden coasters made from reclaimed wood not only offer functionality, but also tell a story of renewal and resourcefulness. By emphasizing the sustainable aspect of their products, artisans can tap into a growing demographic that seeks to make responsible purchasing decisions. This eco-friendly angle can also be communicated through marketing efforts, highlighting the environmental benefits of choosing handmade wooden crafts over mass-produced alternatives. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The adaptability of small wooden crafts also extends to their potential for customization, which can significantly enhance their marketability. Personalized items, such as engraved wooden gifts or custom-made decor, often command higher prices and attract buyers looking for unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. Artisans can offer customization options for various products, enabling customers to add names, dates, or special messages to their purchases. This level of personalization fosters a sense of ownership and connection, making the items more meaningful to the buyer. For example, a set of wooden coasters engraved with a family name can serve as a cherished keepsake, while also being a functional addition to any home. By providing opportunities for customization, artisans can differentiate their offerings in a crowded marketplace, appealing to consumers who value individuality and personal expression. Participating in local craft fairs, markets, and online platforms can further enhance the visibility and sales potential of small wooden crafts. These venues offer artisans the chance to showcase their work, interact with customers, and receive immediate feedback. Craft fairs, in particular, create a vibrant atmosphere where shoppers are eager to discover unique, handmade items. Setting up an attractive booth that highlights the beauty and craftsmanship of wooden projects can draw in potential buyers and create lasting impressions. Additionally, online marketplaces like Etsy allow artisans to reach a global audience, expanding their potential customer base beyond their local communities. The convenience of online shopping has made it easier for consumers to explore and purchase handmade wooden crafts, providing artisans with a fantastic opportunity to grow their businesses. Collaboration with other artisans or businesses can also prove beneficial in the selling aspect of small wooden crafts. By teaming up with local makers or complementary businesses, artisans can create bundled offerings that appeal to a broader audience. For example, a wooden candle holder could be paired with handmade candles, creating a cohesive and attractive gift set that encourages customers to purchase multiple items. This collaborative approach not only enhances the products being offered but also fosters a sense of community among artisans, promoting mutual support and shared marketing efforts. By cross-promoting each other's work, artisans can tap into new audiences and drive sales for their small wooden crafts. In addition to traditional selling methods, the rise of digital content creation offers artisans new avenues to engage with potential customers. Crafting tutorials, behind-the-scenes videos, or blog posts about the crafting process can serve to attract and educate an audience. By sharing their knowledge and expertise, artisans can position themselves as authorities in their craft, building trust and credibility with potential buyers. Platforms such as YouTube or TikTok provide engaging formats for showcasing the artistry involved in creating wooden crafts, drawing in viewers who may eventually become customers. This content-driven approach not only showcases the beauty of the crafts, but also builds a community around the shared passion for woodworking and craftsmanship. The importance of quality cannot be overstated when it comes to selling small wooden crafts. Artisans who prioritize craftsmanship and attention to detail in their projects are more likely to create items that resonate with consumers. High-quality finishes, precise workmanship, and thoughtful designs contribute to the overall appeal of the products. Shoppers are often willing to pay a premium for items that feel substantial and well-made, as they associate quality with durability and longevity. By investing time and effort into perfecting their craft, artisans can create a reputation for excellence that enhances their brand and encourages repeat business. In the context of selling small wooden crafts, seasonal promotions and limited-time offerings can also create a sense of urgency among buyers. By introducing new designs or themed products for specific holidays or events, artisans can encourage consumers to make purchases sooner rather than later. For example, creating a limited edition set of wooden ornaments for the holiday season can generate excitement and prompt customers to buy before the items sell out. This strategy not only boosts sales but also fosters a sense of exclusivity, making customers feel like they are part of something special. As the handmade movement continues to gain momentum, small wooden crafts hold significant potential for artisans looking to establish successful businesses. By focusing on the beauty and functionality of their projects, artisans can create items that resonate with consumers on multiple levels. The ability to produce small quantities allows for experimentation and adaptation to market trends, while the emphasis on storytelling and emotional connection enhances the appeal of the crafts. Furthermore, the growing interest in sustainability and customization provides additional avenues for artisans to differentiate themselves in a competitive marketplace. Small wooden crafts represent a unique opportunity for artisans to engage in year-round selling while showcasing their creativity and craftsmanship. The combination of beauty and functionality, along with the potential for customization and sustainable practices, positions these crafts as desirable products for a diverse audience. By leveraging effective marketing strategies, participating in local and online selling platforms, and fostering community connections, artisans can build successful craft businesses that thrive in an increasingly competitive landscape. As consumers continue to seek out unique, meaningful items for their homes and lives, the potential for small wooden crafts to capture their hearts and minds remains strong, offering artisans a fulfilling and rewarding avenue for both creativity and entrepreneurship. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for small wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.